So I'm making another video. This video is for align group under the home tab. So here you can see few things in the alignment group. So first one is the text alignment, and then text orientation, then text indent, and then merge, center, and wrap text. Okay, so unlike word, in the words normally there's a left, right, and center alignment. Though in the word in the table we can use alignment for top, middle, and bottom, but in the Excel we have the six alignment. So if you click, if you I have already written here. So and this is for one cell. You can use it for multiple cell or a range. So I have already written uh, word Bangladesh. So if you click here, so just select the top, then it will be in the top of the cell. If you when you select the middle, then it will be in the middle position. When you select in the bottom, it will be, though it is in the bottom, just check it again. Okay, now it will be in the bottom. So in the same way we can use left alignment, then middle, center, as well as the right. Okay, so at the same time you can use two alignment. So one is for the left, center, middle, another one is for the top, middle, and bottom. So you have to use two uh, types of alignment here simultaneously. Then next come to the indent. So what does indent do? So just think you have already written something in the Excel. So you can use the indent for what? For further away from the cell border. So from this location you are actually changing the location. So by clicking here, so just see. Okay, again one is for the left side, another on the right side, but it will not cross the left side border, but it will come to the right side. Okay, so by clicking here, so sometime we use it especially for design purposes. Then now come to the text orientation. Okay, so text orientation, if you click here, so you will see the different kind of text orientation. For example, I'm writing one text, the same text, Bangladesh. Okay, so if you want to change the orientation, so it is a angle counterclockwise, then this is the by default, then clockwise, then vertical text. If you can use it for vertical text, then rotate vertical. So we use all these things in not in the same, not always, but sometimes we have to use it. Then rotate text. Okay, moreover, what you can do, you can click here, then we'll say option, then from here now it is just see here the horizontal and vertical, and here is the orientation and indent. So you can use, if you change it, make it 90, make it 0 degree, then it will be in the normal text. Okay, so if you make it is 45 degree, then it will be in the 45 Then if you want to make the below 45, negative 45, then it will be in this way. So you can use format cell. Okay, moreover, I'll show you in another time. So when we will use all this thing all together, so you can use the horizontal or vertical alignment. Okay, so now, so here from I have actually added one picture. So now come to the text control. So this thing is very important for the Excel. So we always use this thing. So this text control. So already I have written some text here. One text, my text is Department of Business Administration. So my point here is, just you see, it is in a single cell, but it is actually in the cell D57. But here you can see it in the in her in the uh, D57 as well as E57. So it is taking two cell, but actually it is in her, it is in the D 57. Okay, so what you can do? So you have multiple option here. Okay, I'm just copying this here. So one way you can simply click here. So it will automatically space will be increased. So in that time, this whole text remain in a single cell. So this is a good option. Just use the mouse and click here, then it will increase. So another way, what you can do, you can merge these two cell into one. So you can use the merge and center, or even you can simply use the merge across, or even you can unmerge it. Okay, so when you merge it, still it will be in the D57, but D57 and E57 become the it those two cell merged. Okay, so we actually use it for the multiple cell as well. So you will see in other classes. Then what we can do, we can actually use the wrap text. So if you click here, so you can't see the wrap text option. So what you have to do, you have to again click here. Then in the text control, you see there are three options. So I have already used the merge option. So if you want to, if you just click on the wrap text, then what you will see the text will be in the same cell, but the height of the cell will increase. Okay, so text size and text will be the same, but the height will increase. Or another way, then you can use the string to fit. So we know what is the meaning of string. So if you click here, then the cell's text size actually decrease. So here one important thing, that you cannot use all these four things for the same text. So you have to choose one option. So you cannot actually use merge text here, or you cannot, okay, see. So what you have to use, you have to use the single one. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.